Hey, Tony Anczer here, Northwest Indiana and Illinois real estate agent. Today we're here in IKEA in Bolingbrook going shopping for home supplies. So IKEA is a big store, like tens of thousands of square feet that's got furniture, home goods, storage stuff. And so we're taking a family trip. Everybody's so excited. Yeah. Yeah. So cool. Yeah, join with us. We'll show you what IKEA is like, all the stuff they have in there. And if you're looking to buy or sell in Illinois or Indiana, I'd love to work with you. Thanks for watching. Here we go. Contact information is above and below. And if you enjoy videos like this, please smash that subscribe button. They'll let YouTube know that people like this and they push it out more, which helps us out. So as you walk in, you got a map of the place. It's 2 stories. They got these little pencils and paper here because throughout the store they'll have items that aren't really where they stock them, just as decoration, and so you can make note of stuff you like to find it later on. They have these really cool carts that are, well, we'll see them in a bit, and then there's an elevator to go up and get started. So we'll head up. Cool, so at the top of the elevator, they got these crazy baskets that you can like pull. They're kind of neat. Gotta check these things out. And they got wheels. Wyatt, see if you fit in. No. I wasn't sure he was gonna do it. He almost did it. It would have been great. So then we'll start walking through, and you'll see how they have like living room or bedrooms arranged. And so you see how they have these rooms set up, and they'll have stuff all over to show you how the decor works together, and then stuff like this random thing. So move over for information. So this isn't where they store this exactly, but it will tell you what section it is, so you can then find it on your way out if you're interested. So now we're exploring the racks, trying to find the products that we selected.
So this is the big one. So we don't want the big one. I think
the hunt is in process. Got a new clip. Alright, we found some desk stuff we like. Taking the notes. I do a little more shopping around. So this is the office section area. Maybe the den for classy houses. Got storage units, desks. Now we entered the chair section. The daughter just found a girly desk she's pretty interested in. What I find pretty neat that Wyatt pointed out to me is that these arrows that point you through the store are actually not stickers. They are lights that beam down and make the arrow mark. Now it switches to bedrooms. Just gotta be careful because there's sharks here apparently. Alright, this is a fun area for the kids, the stuffed animal section. And soccer. Got some tigers over here. Mr. Bear looks like he needs to go on a diet. A little proportionally out of line there with the big old belly. Now we're entering another favorite spot here. It's right around dinner time. Well, it's a little after actually. And we are entering the food court. So they have a pretty robust food court here. We'll do a tour of that. There you can check out the menu here. I'll do a photo and we can freeze frame this. It's a pretty cool seating arrangement. You can overlook the parking lot, the area. Alright, it's cafeteria style, so you'll get a tray, pick out stuff you want. Then you can see the meal options there.
So are you going to get the kids one?
Wife and I are doing the Swedish meatball meal. That's the kids one though. They got bigger ones for adults over there.
You don't get 4.
Yeah, drinks. You learn they're pretty flexible on substitution. So if you don't want something, they'll swap it out pretty easily. It took us about 10 minutes to learn that in line though. So. Now they got salads, soups, drinks. Just noticed they have a Swedish flag in the meatballs. It's pretty fun. Alright, so we got our food. Now we are getting our drinks. We got cola, raspberry, lemon, sparkling lemon, lingonberry, pear, and some other stuff. And then they got condiments over here. Barbecue, honey mustard, ranch, ketchup. Wyatt lost nose go, so we had to pray for dinner. So here's what we got. I got the meatballs. Lisa and I got the same thing. Ella got little 2 things here. Wyatt got kids, or the 8 Swedish meatballs with a side of mac and cheese. All right, our total for these 4 was $51.74. Did learn they don't have condiment cups, so you got to bring your plate up to get ketchup. All right, now we started on level 2, so now we're on level 1. Getting ready to explore level 1. So Wyatt, for your new room, what do you think? Want to get like a big cowhide for the floor?
Wait, but is this like real?
Probably not. Maybe this one. Sweet. Check out that sweet, whatever animal that's supposed to be.
Do you think that this is probably one? Because it's
Nope.
like,
All fake. Now we're in Lisa's sacred place of the storage bin area. Lisa loves her some storage bins. Ella's big into art drawings and whatnot, so frames are her love language also. All right, now they got another Swedish food area. Some neat stuff. Some coffee. Some interesting other Swedish stuff. Fish. Chocolate. Mustard. Lots of chocolate. That seems to be a thing. Hey, are we getting a chocolate here?
Yeah.
Okay. We're getting a chocolate?
Yeah, I'll get a salted chocolate.
Nice.
We're gonna share it. Should we get two? Two.
Debating how many chocolates do we do.
So we got a salty toffee brittle, Ella. So it's like Heath.
It's a big decision to
Is
make.
that okay?
Okay, what we're figuring out here is for some of the bigger items that we're getting, like a chair and a desk, they don't sell them in the actual display area, so they tell you what it is. So like, where does it say?
Aisle 12, bin 19, aisle
Okay,
8.
so then you go, on the way out, you go to the storehouse and you find yourself to what you're looking for, and then you grab it, and then they got these bigger carts here where you can load it up on. All right, we're reaching the finish line. Got our carts. Have to go check out here. Oh no, family's getting sucked in by more stuff at the aisles.
We have to do self-checkout. Nobody's seen.
Here's the checkout process. It looks like it's only self-checkout, which is kind of interesting. Never seen that before.
Yeah.
Kids always have fun scanning stuff. Here it goes. Okay, we thought we were done. Now we got lucky enough to be randomly selected for a check. They must think we're pretty suspect. That's how it goes. I think it's Wyatt. They probably think he's suspect. Alright, today's tally was about 700 even. We got a bunch of storage stuff, desk, a chair, some other storage, so fairly reasonably priced for what we got. Then as you walk out, they got a food court. It's nighttime now, so it's closed, but they got food, like hot dogs for $1, all kinds of other cheap food while you're on your way out. And then again, they got more Swedish stuff here. Break. Bathrooms were extremely clean, so that was impressive. And now we're finally getting our way out of here. All right, that was like a 4-hour trek in the store. Lots of good stuff.